This is the sirloin. It just came out of the smoker. It smells so good. I'm going to, look at that, it just came right apart. Mm, 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 mm. I'm glad I just put the marinade. Okay. Let me stop before I end up eating this. You see how juicy it is? You can see it. It's hot. Mm. Hold on. I'll let Naya and Rizzy taste it. Mm, mm, mm. That smoker is the truth. Remember, I got that smoker for $10. Let me go show it. All right, so there go the short ribs, and they actually look pretty good. It's hot, y'all. And then there are the burgers. Those were just put in. So yeah, I can't wait to see how those taste, because I just did basic salt and pepper and everything. I mean, it's got its little stuff, but for $10 you can't beat it. This is something that can just be scrubbed, and you could reapply that Rust-Oleum thing that's for the paint, that's for fire pits and stuff like that. So I'm gonna close this back up, and you see all the different levels. $10, like, the inside is fine, and it's been having a lot of cooking done inside of this, so that's why it looks like that. But that comes really clean. This is just old from use and sitting outside, and that's what the lady was telling me. So it's fine. It's good, and it actually smokes very well. Oh, there go a little piece. That's that little piece. Me being greedy. I want to see how that tastes. All right, y'all. Yeah, gotta take it in there. This piece hot, but I want to try it. Yeah. Okay, I got it in the house. Let me cut into it. I don't got my tripod. Okay. Ooh, it's got some fat. I see the fat. Smooth that fat, but it's so tender. It's just falling right off. Sometimes I do enjoy eating the fat too. I ain't even gonna lie. I'm gonna sit here and say I don't. Oh Lord, it's hot. Woo. And this is a beef short rib that I just did salt, pepper, garlic, and onion powder. Let's see how this tastes. Look how juicy. I love that smoker. Oh my gosh. I gotta let them taste this. Oh yeah. Absolutely. Okay. All right. I'll let y'all know how the burgers came. All right. So this is the burger from the smoker. Good Lord. I can definitely see a difference. I can taste the difference. This was the little baby burger. But, and these are the short ribs. So yeah, this was the meat I got. And this is gonna be dinner. I also made some fresh asparagus. And I just took this bad boy out of the oven. So this is going to be dinner. Rizzy went to go with friends, and I went to drop her off. So I guess me and I are gonna get ready to eat. And Rizzy will eat either leftovers tomorrow or later when she comes home. So excuse the smacking. Excuse it. But when I tell you, this meat came out so good. Like, this meat came out so good on that. I gotta stop because I want to keep pinching and pinching. But this is the update of of how this meat came out on my smoker. That macaroni, I'm waiting for it to set because I'm ready to grub. Make me a good burger. Give me a piece of that sirloin. Give me a piece of everything. Okay? I'm hungry. Hope y'all enjoyed this little video of showing you my little cooking time of smoking my food in my thrifted smoker. And like I said, that was $10. And Mr. Willie showed me how to use it. He's the one that got it, but it ended up being mine. So yeah, I thank him for that. But yeah, I'm getting ready to eat. That was the meat. It's smoked. It literally don't even need no sauce. It tastes so good. It's so tender and juicy. But let me go and finish doing what I was doing. I was trying to edit something. Not edit. Why did I say edit? Remove some footage from my camera because it keeps getting full and putting it on my hard drive. I'm just chilling waiting for the macaroni to set. So I will see you guys in another video. If you are new to the channel, I am CPR. Those are my initials, and I am a single mom starting all over. And I just bought a home that is a fixer-upper, and I'm sharing that journey and also sharing some of my day-to-day thoughts and processes of what I'm going through and what's happening behind the scenes as a mom, starting all over in a place where I don't know anybody. So if you like that and you like great how-tos, I got so many great how-tos. The one that has been really sparking a lot of people is the wax. Getting wax off of your screen TV and off of out of your carpet. I've been getting a lot of you like, oh my gosh, you saved me so much money. I thought I was gonna have to get rid of my TV, or I thought I was gonna have to lose my deposit from my apartment or whatever. And what else? Oh, the king size fitted sheet, folding that the right way. If you go look at that video, it's like everybody says the same thing. You are a great teacher. You're a great teacher. It just makes me keep pushing to let this content come to you guys. Yes, I am a homemaker. We talked about that in a live, and I always wanted to say it, but I'm like, how am I a homemaker if it's just me? I'm not married, I'm single, but I am a homemaker because I make my home organized, clean, I cook, I do everything. I just don't have my emperor right now, but yeah, I'm sharing that. So if that's something you're interested in, and this is me, not all the time. Today I have different like bonnets and satin things to protect my natural hair. I'm really debating getting my hair done with like a kinky twist, the old school kinky twist, but kind of chunky and short, just like give that afro look. I don't know. What y'all think? Tell me in the comments. But I gotta go because I'm hungry and this food is so tasty. But yeah, my channel is just kind of like this. It's not nothing edited and formatted and all that crazy stuff. It's just real life, and I pop on and share certain things that I think will be things that are inspiring and beneficial to you if you're thinking about doing something, getting something, or never tried something. All right, later, gators. And I do respond to comments.